go into the boat at the marina. Ready? Checked in, just waiting for our room to be available.
Listening
at
to
the last place, got some
Minimal house.
little bit of house going on at the beachfront restaurant. Check it out. And here to this.
On the beach.
Breakfast, English breakfast tea.
The best kind of tea.
And this is the view for breakfast. Which is okay, I suppose. You can do this for the last 5 days.
5 days.
5 days left. Actually, 4 days left here.
4 days. Just having a nice little morning by the beach. Scott just flew his drone. How was that, Scott?
It was good.
It was good. And we are the luckiest buggers in all the world because it is just so pretty here. There's a hammock there I've been lying on. I finished my 6th book and I've started my 7th. Let's see if I can finish it in 5 days.
What are you eating there, Sarah May?
Pineapple.
Where's our sea gone?
Hey!
Excuse
took
me.
it.
Give it back. Going for our final massage.
No. Horrible spoiled lives
know.
are coming to an end.
So we changed rooms because the view we had before was poopy, and we had a bottle of complimentary prosecco that we could have a drink. I'm now gonna drink it. And this is our view now. Much better. So that's the beach down there that you can see. Next day, so we changed rooms, which equals an awesome view. It does mean a lot of stairs. Stairs, look at the view. Walking down to go to the beach. Hiya! Cars of steel.
Crack-a-lackin', Scott.
Chef.
Oh, Chef Scott. What's crack? You don't actually have your chef hat on, so.
It's too hot. Okay.
What's crack-a-lackin'?
We're going to be cooking some food.
Yum yum yum.
So we're going to be starting with a mushroom Thai salad with mint. Then we're going to cook a Thai style hot.
Yay! Okay, we're starting.
Starting.
Easy
First
peasy,
dish
lemon
made.
squeezy.
Easy and tasty.
Yeah,
Yum, yum,
exactly.
yum. Now we have a little seating area to enjoy. Over here, you see a wild photo shoot between two men. Yes, work it. Tense. Oh, tense work it, Dave. Tom yum soup. Yum yum yum.
Tom yum soup.
Okay, you got me. Stopped it.
I'm squealing.
And the final dish is a poached banana in a coconut and sugary syrup with some sesame seeds on top.
Is sloppy workmanship.
And this is a better presented one. But she didn't do it. Cocktails, complimentary cocktails. Survey. On the beachfront. And the music. Restaurant. 2 days left. And we're just gonna chill. We did the cooking class yesterday and we were gonna look at maybe doing like a boat trip, but it's quite expensive and the visibility in the water is not amazing, especially if the weather's like this. So we think we'll just enjoy the last 2 days of relaxing. Sarah May's found herself a boat. Where are you off to?
We're going to Tahiti.
Tahiti. Been watching too much OC.
I don't know what you're talking about.
This is what happens when you let Sarah May loose on the beach. What are you doing? Oh God. She's collecting shells. It's like cloudy weather, but it's not stopping us laying on the beach. Going for a walk. Just been chilling today.
Yeah, it was meant to rain and then it's never rained, but it
Yeah.
might rain now that we're going for a walk.
We didn't get the kayak this morning because it said it's going to rain, 80% chance of a thunderstorm in the next like half an hour. We were like, fuck, okay, fine. So we didn't get a kayak.
And
We
then
lay on the
it didn't
beach and it hasn't rained. But we're going for a walk to go check out this overhang over here. So we're going to walk all the way around there and try and check that out.
So many little crabs and stuff.
With rocks and crabs. We go see how far we can walk out around this.
Look at that.
Oh, all the crabs running. So we kept seeing signs everywhere saying Tucans. We've seen some finally. Here. Started to rain. Tide's coming in.
This is my way of protecting the bag.
Sexy girl. We made it to our first island. Woo.
We
We're up
kayaked all the way.
on the kayaks.
But this rude boat is ruining our...
Tranquility. Fuckers followed us from the hotel.
We were all
But this is where we are. We're in a little hidden area. Came all the way around to the left, so to the right is our hotel. Leave the other side of this massive rock. Now we're just enjoying the beach.
We made it to a pontoon floating in the middle of the sea.
We did.
It's not... I don't think pontoon's the right word. What is this?
I would have said pontoon, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
Whoa, big fly. This is what we mean. So the sea, and it's, I lie, it's not in the middle of the sea. There's the beach. But still, it's this. We kayaked here.
So, as much fun as all this jumping is, this is the hard part, getting back.
Oh my god,
You having fun this ceremony?
No! I feel like a beached whale.
How's it going, girl?
I like a seal.
Oh, glamorous girl. Last meal here.
Our last night in Koh Yao.
Tomorrow we wake up and go to Bangkok for one night. And we get there at like 4:30 and then we've got like the evening, so we're just gonna run around and do some bits.
Yeah, got some things to tick off, and then it's home time.
It's home time. Thai food. There's chicken yellow curry and a tofu and vegetable yellow curry.
I want a spit.
And wine.
And Scott
complimentary
ordered
chips.
a lot of
Yeah.
chips. Complimentary?
We didn't order them.
Scott ordered chips.
Shut up. This is Thai food, we don't have chips. We don't want to come back.
More.
If everybody watching this could send us £10,000, send us £10,000, we will continue to provide you this incredible quality of vlogging entertainment. We know that nobody's getting through their days without watching our videos, so just send us over 10 grand, small investment. When we're big time famous, we will give you some of it back. Maybe. Disclaimer.
Wow.
Bye.